In today's video, I will teach you how to create a black Moody color grading effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and load the image that you want to edit by going to File, then Open. In the Layers panel, right-click on the image layer and select Convert to Smart Object. This ensures non-destructive editing. Now, go to Filter, Camera Raw, and apply the following settings. Then click OK to apply the changes. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then select Curves. Then adjust the points as follows. Now go to Filter, Sharpen, then Unsharp Mask. Then increase the sharpness, but make sure to avoid over-sharpening for a natural look. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Hue and Saturation, and adjust the channels as follows. Now we're going to add a vignette. To do this, click the New Layer button in the Layers panel, or simply press Ctrl-Shift-I on your keyboard. Now select the elliptical marquee tool from the toolbar and draw an ellipse in the center. Now press Shift-Ctrl-I to invert the selection. Now go to Select, Modify, then Feather, and set the value to 50. Now fill the selection with black using the Bucket Fill tool, and press Ctrl-D to deselect. Now set the vignette layer's blending mode to multiply and reduce its opacity to 30%. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Channel Mixer, and in the green channel, set the green to 106, and in the red channel, set the red to 106. And to save your work, simply go to File, then Export As, and choose your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.